That second wall sold out pretty quickly, so we built a third wall. That process took a little bit longer. We had some issues with the contractor and materials. That wall was completed in 2025. We opened that at the end of the year, and we currently have sold almost half of the wall already. The trend in burials seems to be going that direction. That combined with the location, I think, is proven to be very attractive to families looking in that. In the packet, there's a path that goes from the front of the cremain section that kind of meanders through to the reflecting pond. That path is not used for maintenance or anything, and we thought that that would be a great place to put additional columbarium down through there and be able to utilize the grade and maximize the space and better utilize our dollars. Current walls, the way they've been designed, it's just a very expensive way to do it because it's a giant retaining wall and there's only niche on the front side. So by taking it down the walkway, we can have niche on both sides and it be parallel with the road so that it doesn't obstruct the view of the reflecting pond. Bigger project hopefully would attract more bidders and cause much less disturbance to the cemetery. Every time we do a construction project in that area, it's an active burial ground. So we're selling a lot of niche in that area, and we also have construction going on at the same time. It's been difficult administratively to manage that because you tell the workers, you know, we got a burial at 11, you're gonna have to leave site, take a long lunch, come back. It's just been challenging. And to not have another wall has also been problematic because we've had wait lists that are 30, 40 people long, and people hanging on to their loved ones until the wall can be completed to then get it interred. So we've looked at all that at our commission meetings, and the commission voted in favor to recommend a single phase project. We never increase the cost moving forward. What we would do is plan on selling the niche in phases, building it in one phase, selling it in phases so that we have the ability to fill all of those up, get all of them engraved, keep the inurnments concentrated, and then it gives us the ability to raise the price as time goes on. I would probably say less than 10 years because we're going to increase our prices as it goes along. We evaluate our costs almost every year for not only inurnments but for interments, our open and close costs. And I think when talking with Keith on as to how we would fund this, we definitely have some adjustments that we should probably do to our percentages that get split. Keith?
So the question is not really getting paid back on the construction cost of the columbarium wall. The question is, once it's constructed, how do we maintain it?
And the cemetery in general.
Right.
And they're just, as a simple matter, there just isn't enough there that's been collected over the 100 and however many years. How many years has the cemetery been open?
1880.
I knew they'd know. So, I mean, we've been collecting this for 140 odd years. We should have more than that. We're never going to have enough money in this fund to cover the maintenance of the cemetery. And these columbariums are getting us a lot more burials in the cemetery, using up way less square feet. Yeah. So, because we can always just build another wall. I mean, you need some space for it, but it's nothing compared to the amount of space you need to sell that many plots. So it provides a lot more burials within the cemetery, which gives us a lot more money overall into the cemetery investment fund.
We've seen the popularity of the columbarium walls. Right. The 2005 for the first one, 2019. This last one was over a year with construction delays and overruns by this contractor. So in a matter of 5 to 7 years, we will have recouped our cost on this, given the trends.
They're trusted. I give you another 15 years, and we'll be back talking about the copper roof again. But anyways, that's fine, and we'll talk about it. We appreciate that. I know we're out of time. We'll probably have to do our executive session after council now instead of before. But we'll talk about the more information on the columbarium wall in the next finance meeting again. If you have any questions, email, either Jansen or the mayor or whomever to get some of your questions answered on that, and we'll continue discussion.